Best day of my life, and there's bird poo on my seat.
Hey guys, it's Lena time.
Hey guys, guess where I am? Oops, my phone just dropped. I'm back. I'm just gonna leave that in. I'm in California, and I'm here for one of my friend's weddings from college, and we're driving there now. We just got some boba, but it is literally like 102 degrees.
108.
I'm dying. It's seriously so hot. But okay, I will vlog the rest of the trip because we're gonna see Taylor Swift tomorrow. Woo! So excited. But I'll also vlog the wedding too. Okay, if I don't die from like heat stroke today. So I'll keep you guys updated. Bye! California, and today I'm in San Diego to see Taylor Swift. Yay! Look, we got tickets. Floor seats, what up? Anyways, okay, look at all the people. And we're in San Diego at Petco Park, and I'll vlog the concert. Bye! Oh my god, you guys, we're so close. Where are you? You guys, look how close we are. This is ridiculous. We paid like nothing for these tickets. We're gonna have a heart attack. I'm still walking. Oh my god, our seats are right here, dude. This stage right there. There's bird poo. You guys, there's freaking bird poop on our seats. Ruined the best day of my life. Oh my gosh. Best day of my life. Best day of my life, and there's bird poop on my seat. But nothing can ruin it. Nothing. Even that.
She is still one of my favorite artists, and we've been texting all week, and we finally got to meet today, and she's so cool. She's so sweet, which I love when I find out that one of my favorite artists is also super amazing as a person. Please make some noise, because to sing Complicated, Avril Lavigne is here to sing.
Newport Beach, which is where I grew up. So pretty. And it's my last day here. I'm heading to the airport in about an hour. But my friend's wedding was absolutely beautiful. And we got to see Taylor and Avril. And that was so amazing last night. That was seriously like the best concert I have ever been to in my life. And when I saw Avril, oh my gosh, my middle school self came out. Seriously though. But I can't believe I'm at the beach. Okay, I really don't want to go back to Seattle, but it's gonna be the end of my vlog. I'm such a California girl at heart.